In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your library in the Kindle app. If your Kindle library has grown and it's getting harder to find what you want, sorting is the quickest way to bring order back to your bookshelf. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll share a few tips to make the most of it. Start by opening the Kindle app on your device. Give it a moment to load your latest items. From here, look to the bottom of the screen and tap Library. This is where all your books, documents, and collections live. If you see different tabs like All, Downloaded, or Collections, you can stay on the view you prefer. Sorting will work in whichever one you're using. Now look to the top right corner of the library screen for the sort icon. It looks like two arrows pointing up and down. Tap that icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the library, not the Home tab, and try scrolling to the top so the toolbar is visible. A panel will appear with a section labeled Sort. That's what we want. In this Sort section, you can choose the method that best matches how you like to browse. Choose Recent if you want your newest items first. This is great when you've just bought a book or opened something recently and want it to appear right at the top. It's a fast way to pick up where you left off with your latest reads. Choose Title to sort alphabetically by book name. This is perfect if you remember the title and want a clean A to Z list, especially helpful for large libraries or when you're scanning quickly. Choose Author to sort alphabetically by the author's name. If you like reading everything by a particular writer, this view groups their works together so you can jump straight into their catalog. Choose publication date to arrange books by when they were originally published. This is handy for following a series in release order or discovering an author's latest release first. Once you've selected your preferred sorting method, your library will refresh instantly to reflect that choice. You can change this as often as you like, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what feels most natural. A few quick tips: you can pair sorting with search to narrow down faster, and if your library looks out of date, pull down on the list to refresh your content. Also, filters and collections can work alongside sorting to keep things tidy. That's it: simple, fast, and effective. Try different sorting options to match how you read and enjoy a more organized Kindle experience.